So in this video I want to show you the concept of merging elements of an object. For that I'm going to create a grid. Create grid, edit mode, and there are several ways of merging elements. So for example, let's say I want to merge this corner, so I can select these vertices, like these three for example, and I say I want, or even these four vertices, and I want only one vertex instead of four. So for that I press Alt M, and I have several options here. So the three first are the most common one. At center, they all will move, you see, and merge at the center of the four vertices that were there. So this is one way of doing it. So now you see I have three faces instead of four like I had previously here, these four. If I select, the order of selection is important. You see I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and the active one is in white here. So now if I press Alt M and select at last, all the vertices will come to the last selection. So you see the result is pretty different than at center. Now the same way I will select at first. So again I select 1, 2, 3, 4 to have them all merging on this vertex at first, and see they are all moving here. So again a different way of merging. You don't need to be on a corner obviously of a mesh to merge vertices. For example, I can merge these three at center. You can also merge edges. So I go in edge mode, and if you merge an edge, it will just select the vertices forming this edge and merge them the same way. Alt M, at center, and you see the two vertices here as merged in one. Again, I will select, for example, a range of vertices, but you have to imagine that I'm actually selecting the vertices here at the end of each edge. Alt M, and let's say here at center, and you see it will collapse them that way. And lastly, again with face, I will select actually the four vertices around the face. Alt M, and it works exactly the same way. And again you can select several faces, and in that case it creates something strange because all the vertices are moving to the center, but now they are overlapping each face on another. So this is something that you have to be very careful, because you cannot really work with this kind of topology. So I'll cancel and select only this one, and this is how you merge elements of a mesh.